what it do, FLA Games? Your boy FLA back at you. Back over here at my homeboy crib. You see, got the Hellcat back there. He hit me up, wanted some help putting on his rear window spoiler, and he got a rear diffuser color match to his car that he's getting put in. So you already know, install time, man. We'll show you step by step how I usually do, you know, the easy way. 1, 2, 3, boom. Then I got another homeboy coming through. He got a Trackhawk. He wants to install Legmaker cold air intake and that. So that's gonna be my first time doing anything with a Trackhawk. So I'm gonna be bringing you footage of that, how you install Legmaker cold air intake on the Trackhawk. And that's about it, man. Install Sundays. About to finish this weekend off with a couple installs for my homeboys, and that's it. Yeah. My homeboy actually got the new style Spoilerkings. It's like the new style. It's got like a cutout in the middle of the rear window spoiler, so it's like different than the one I had on my RT. I've actually had my eye on this one for a while, but I haven't got it yet, and he already done pulled the trigger on that bitch. So he's probably gonna be one of the first ones around here with it, because I ain't seen no cars with it. But yeah, we'll show you how to install that. Keep it moving. Holla at your boy. Alright, there you go, guys. That's basically what it looks like. Pretty sure this is the Spoilerkings rear window spoiler. I think they call it like V2 or something. It's the new style. As you see, it's got a cutout in the middle. So yeah, I'm about to put that on real quick. Pretty simple install. So let's get it. Yeah, you're gonna be my apprentice for the day. And that's how you do, man. You just get some alcohol. You know, you can use mild soap and water, but basically just clean this area real good where you go put the adhesive, because it comes with 3M on the back side. That's about it, man. You just clean the window out real good, and then we'll show you the next step. You know, you align it, put the spoiler on there, align it how you want it, and then, you know, you just peel off the little strips and put it down, man. It's self-explanatory, really. You already know. Dash out. We out here. There you go. You know, you do a quick little test fit. You know, once we get the adhesive off, you know, we'll tighten it up, get it right. But yeah, just do a quick little test fit. That's about it. And you peel off, you know, on the adhesive just a little corner at a time till you get it on there. So, and night creeping up on us, but there it is. Basically just line it up. You know what I'm saying? On it flush with the roof. Put your little tape on there. I put 6 strips across, you know, to hold it down. They say 24 hours, man, but I didn't leave mine 24 hours the first go around. I say a good 3 hours or so on there. That junk stick. It's 3M. But on to the next project. You already know. Bam, back to backers tonight. Got the Legmaker cold air intake going on the Trackhawk. Is first for me, but should be self-explanatory like every other damn cold air intake. But yeah, there we go. Boy, got the octane. But yeah, let's start this process, man, because I ain't gonna lie, the Legmaker's kind of like Legos. You gotta build this shit. I put one in yesterday, so. All right, on to the next one. There's a rear diffuser. He had got, obviously it's a color match, as you see, and he already took off his other one, so it's pretty simple. I think it's just a push pin on both sides right there, and you might have, I think, a couple screws. Really, just from what I see, it's just the 2 push pins on the side. Yeah, right there. Then it's got like these clips you gotta be careful taking out. There's you know, quite a few of them along the back. That's how you take it out. And then obviously you reverse the steps, putting it back in. Put these tabs in first, and then the 2 push pins. And then this one came with like some type of adhesive on the back right here. These like silver things or like adhesive. So we'll get it on there in a second and show y'all the finished product real quick.
Let me go ahead and get on my YouTube shit.
Yeah. Alright, man, here we are. My homeboy inside the crib, so I'm jumping on to the next project because as you see, it done got dark on us. So you know, either way you want to do it, it's pretty simple. You just unloosen this right here. This will, you know, take the intake housing, whatever, this thing off. Even though I don't know what this is, there's some Trackhawk shit because Hellcat definitely don't have it. And then this plug just comes right out. You just pull it out. And then this one is like a little twisty action thing going on. So you just twist it.
Going ahead, removing the...
And then it come out. You get my drift.
The
but
air box.
this come out.
New shit going
and that's it, man.
And
then
over here, man.
you already know we out here, bro. We out here.
Modding up everything.
I gotta you know, take a quick second to go over this because it might be just a slightly different from a Hellcat that I did yesterday. But give me 1 second, get everything together. Yeah, it's definitely different. You see, the other one came with a red filter. This one's blue. This little cover is definitely, you know, different shape, bigger. And then it got all the clamps and shit that you need for the install. You know, I think one is bigger and one is smaller than the other. Ran into this little debacle yesterday.
Yes, sir.
So can't remember. Shit, I think this one's the bigger one. If you see it, might be a little bit bigger. And you already know that goes on the bigger side.
Ooh, what is that, carbon fiber on there?
Ooh, yeah, you already see it. That's that carbon fiber. But yeah, let's get this stock air box out, and then we'll put everything together as we go.
Let's get it.
You already know. Let's go.
Man, we out here.
Now we tried to get the drunk guy.
All right, here we are, man. Because you know, nighttime is upon us. So took the stock air box out. Basically, it's just one clamp. You ain't even got to disconnect the whole thing. You see how this still there? You just unscrew one thing, lift up on the stock air box. It's got like a little stopper right here and a couple more down here. You see these holes? These go into the bottom of the air box. Basically, they're like little stoppers. Boom, you yoke it up out of there and it's out. So you get the small clamp and the small end of this hose, elbow hose. It's got like a bent to it. Put it on there with the small clamp, tighten it down. Now you get the big clamp. The big clamp will go on top of here. So you're gonna put that there. It goes to the big end right here. And then the air filter goes onto the other side right here, which is what we're gonna put on next right now, because you're gonna struggle putting the air filter on if you put it on last. So we're gonna put the air filter on, connect this right there, and done. Install will be over. Let's get it. All right, here we are, man. Coming to the finish line. We got the stock air box out. Boom, everything did test fit. This one didn't come with instructions like the one from yesterday, so I'm gonna break it down to you like I always do. It's gonna come with these two brackets. This is for a Trackhawk. These two brackets, one go over here. You're gonna turn it this way. And then one goes to this side bolt down here. It was a 13mm bolt right there. And yeah, you just tighten it up. So as you see, do a little test fit. You know, we already did it, but yeah, it's gonna line up good. Now you just gotta get this clamp on here. This is probably the worst part of the whole install, is getting this down tight enough so you can apply pressure. And your two sensors, you pulled them out. This one was just a pull out, pop back in. This you put in there, and then you connect your adapter to it, and done. So give me a second, be back with a finished product. Yeah. All right, here we go. Boom, completed. Another one done. Who brought it to you? FLA. Yeah. Legmaker Trackhawk. Hit that bit one time. Oh, man. Damn, what? Ooh. Killing them, killing them. Dang, it look like them calipers reflective already, boy. That bit hard.
Oh, you can hear it sucking.
Yeah. Man, the whine is louder, ain't it? You ain't hear it?
I can't. Go ahead, hit it.
Hit that bit. Man, the whine is like louder with the lead makers, man. You know what they say is true.
That motherfucker sucks, dude.
Well, that been hitting now. Yeah.
That's scary.
Yeah. Well, let's complete the next project, man. You already know how I get down. This is what I do. So now we gonna put my Dawgs diffuser on over here. We on to the next one, bro. Knocking this shit out tonight. Yeah. You already know. FLA. I do this. First time on the channel. Hit that subscribe, like, comment, all that. Fuck with your boy. Support. You already see that shit. I'm out here.
You ready?
There you go. Rear diffuser. Done. Rear window spoiler. Spoilerkings. Done. Another one.
I gotta take that Dodge off my shit too. That shit looks so much better. Yeah.
2 leg makers. One yesterday. One in the Trackhawk. Another one. Done. Do this shit. Bam. Did a Hellcat leg maker yesterday. You already know I ain't even record that. But I brought you the Trackhawk. That's what I do. So here we go. Bam. Did the Trackhawk. Leg maker. Done. Octane gang. You see that wet. We out here. First time on the channel. Hit that subscribe. Support. You already know. I'm out here. Woo.